What's up, everybody? This is Freddy FazeBear, as you know, and today we are going to be ranking every Freddy FazeBear. That's right, all the main ones. Okay, so first one, the basic Freddy. We all know this one. It's me, your favorite. It's Freddy FazeBear. He has to be S tier. He's in the first game. Well, I'm in the first game. He's just amazing. Golden Freddy. So I'm friends with Golden Freddy. He's a good dude. It's just that this render of him is kind of scary. I'll put him in A or should I put him in S? I'll put him in A tier. Toy Freddy. This man, Toy Freddy, is like the biggest gamer I know. Like, I don't think I've ever met a gamer. Like, he's such a tryhard. I don't really like this photo of him, but we'll put him in B tier because in Ultimate Custom Night, wrong game, he demolishes me, and I really don't like that. Wizard Golden Freddy. Well, Wizard Golden Freddy, I like the design for him. I think it's neat and it's cool. I guess I'll put him in A tier. Wizard Golden Freddy. Just like original Golden Freddy, he's really cool, and he just sits in your office and then the head just appears. Anyway, he's definitely, actually, I think I like his design better than the original, I'm being honest. Shadow Freddy, it's just Golden Freddy if you like turn them purple, like purple guy. I'll never forget. I'll just put him in C tier. Phantom Freddy. Phantom Freddy is like Withered Freddy with missing a leg, and like it's he's just another recolor. I'll put him in C tier. Now, Nightmare Freddy. Oh, do I have words for Nightmare Freddy? He's amazing. He's in the fourth game, and the fourth game is by far the scariest FNAF game. You have to put him in S tier. Nightmare FazeBear. I like the design. It's scary. He's a biggie cheese, like he's always been. Eating children. I really like this design. I'll put him in A tier, I guess. Above Wizard Freddy. Nightmare Freddy, C, because is literally just a reskin of Nightmare FazeBear, and like it just doesn't. I don't really know. But Funtime Freddy. So, Funtime Freddy is cool, cause like it's like a different colored Freddy. We're used to like the brown and like yellow Freddy, and I guess if you like purple and green, but this is like a change of color. he's special. I'll put him in. I'll put him in B tier. Yendo. So if you didn't know, Yendo is literally called Yendo because it's for yellow endo, I guess, which means that it's like like yellow bear, and yellow bear is like the name for Golden Freddy. I like the design, I guess, but like, he can go in B tier. Oh, the Twisted animatronic, Twisted Freddy. So, Twisted Freddy, he's really cool. I like how like his design is, but like he never really came in like any games. He doesn't really have his game. He's just dug up in the ground, and yeah, tragic. Helpy. Helpy is like a mini version of Funtime Freddy if you like took away Bonbon and like you got rid of the faceplates. And instead of like purple cheeks, you gave him like pink cheeks. Um, uh, I'll put him in, I guess, like C tier. Molten Freddy. Oh, I love Molten Freddy. Molten Freddy is really cool. Um, like the withering for his mask, and like his design's really cool. I like it. I'm gonna put it in A tier. Ned Bear. He's really goofy in like multiple ways. Um, I mean, you can never get mad at Ned Bear, I guess. I guess. I guess I'll put him in D tier. It's either D or S. I'm gonna put him D tier. Sorry. It's just like, I don't really know. I kind of have beef with him. Rockstar Freddy. So, Rockstar Freddy is like, I don't really know. Rockstar Freddy's kind of cool, I guess. I'll put him in like B tier. Lefty is way cooler than Rockstar Freddy. Lefty definitely deserves to be like in A tier, cause like it's not an endoskeleton in Lefty, not Helpy, Lefty. It's not endoskeleton. It's literally the puppet. Like it's cooler. Yeah, it's more of like a rip-off version of Rockstar Freddy, but like yeah. Fredbear. UCN Fredbear. I don't really know. He's like another version of Golden Freddy. I'll put him in C tier, I guess. Curse of Dreadbear. Dreadbear. He's a S tier. The design is amazing. The game mechanic is amazing. Just everything about him is amazing. Glam Rock Freddy. Glam Rock Freddy is like a step up compared to like every other Freddy. Like his design is completely different than any other Freddy we ever knew. Like we're used to like a chunky Freddy. This Freddy's like skinny and like he can carry children. Like he's a B tier, I guess. Ruin Freddy. This is our last one. Ruin Freddy. This man. Hold on, get down. Get down here. He's not coming down. Okay, anyway, he's not gonna be in D tier, I promise. Ruined Freddy is so amazing. I love the like withered look of him. It's like a lot like cooler. I like how his endo showing and like he's headless. Like, how does he even see, bro? This man goes in A tier. So yeah, this is my tier list for every Freddy FazeBear. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And Freddy FazeBear, hold on. Freddy FazeBear out.